Hey, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today. As usual, we got a little update from the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. We'll get into that in a second. Right now, Bitcoin currently doing the 30K battle, Ethereum on the 2K battle, XRP on the 50-cent battle. So all the three, what I would like to call OG cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, they are all battling those major psychological resistance levels due to that first digit going up by one. That's just a very basic human psychology thing with the prices of assets. Whenever it goes up enough to change that first digit, it becomes a very emotional point for people buying and selling and trying to make a decision on what they would like to do going forward at these major ranges. So Bitcoin, I just got to show you guys this monthly chart here. It's absolutely beautiful what is going on right now. Bitcoin's got gaps all the way up to 46,000 per coin. Right now, hey, the 30K level is a major resistance, as you can see back here. All right. And what I think is going to start happening here is, like, if you see this Bitcoin monthly chart and kind of run it back to like the XRP monthly chart, it seems like XRP might be currently lagging behind Bitcoin and is looking to follow Bitcoin and copy Bitcoin, essentially. So right now, very big resistances. We got to accept that. We could draw down from these levels here, but it's just looking absolutely just, I must say, amazing at these current levels, where you now have XRP on something that has not happened in a very long time on the weekly chart, which is breaking previous high and then closing above. That is one major thing on the XRP charts. Take a look for yourself on the XRP monthly chart history. When is the last time an XRP monthly candle broke above previous high and then closed above? I would say the most recent time in history was this very dramatic scenario, right here, where it ended up breaking above. What are we seeing here? Basically breaking above. I guess you could say this is previous high, but this is like the true swing high right here that it broke above and closed above. So a very important moment on XRP monthly chart history. It's like, at this point, I'm not even really focusing on the weekly chart anymore, because the monthly chart, I believe, is really telling us everything that we need to know. We got the demand range. We got all the support at the old all-time high. We got the buildup breaking above the previous high on the monthly chart with a tiny seller pullback. Very nice. All while at the same time, you have Bitcoin going for the absolute monster rip here. So fellas, I'm getting very, very excited about the future of XRP price. And honestly, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and say, yes, you can go ahead and keep looking at weekly chart, but I think in the, 4-year cycle that we are in with XRP, I think right now, since we have so much data and, information, I think it's just, we're much better off watching this monthly chart here and how this pullback and back test of the previous swing high on the monthly is going to play out. So I'm loving what's going on here, guys. I mean, this swing high from back here, the reason why this dumped off was actually because of the FTX collapse. So now that we've broken above that, now it's kind of time to get back to those pre-Terra Luna collapse prices. And I think XRP is going to copy Bitcoin on this move. So honestly, just good luck to Bitcoin, good luck to Ethereum, good luck to XRP. Every one of those coins I just named, the charts are on fire and are looking for breaking some higher prices. Now, for the Ripple versus SEC update, SEC, they went ahead. We're not going to, dive too deep into this, but it's the SEC files letter of supplemental authority in further support of its motion for summary judgment. This is what Ripple has already done, but now the SEC is trying to do the same thing, which is kind of, submitting a letter and letting the judge know how, what they think the support narrative is for their motion for summary judgment. As you can see here on the James K. Philbin post, in doing so, the court rejected a due process affirmative defense alleging that the SEC failed to provide Ripple with fair notice of the disclosure obligations asserted in the complaint. So the SEC is basically coming to their own defense and trying to, convince the judge that why the SEC is correct, when Ripple has already done this like 2 or 3 times prior to the SEC. So I do believe the SEC is kind of late to the party here. And that is pretty much it for the news of today in the lawsuit. We're just still waiting on Judge Torres to make a decision here in one of the biggest lawsuits in cryptocurrency history. I understand why Judge Torres is taking a really long time with this, just because of the simple fact that whatever decision she makes in this case, it will be like setting the precedent for this going forward into other cryptocurrency lawsuits here. So guys, that is it for the video today. Gonna fire up a stream here in about 30 minutes to an hour, and I will see you guys in the next one.